Hello students, this is your science teacher Miss Tavleen. Look at this picture carefully. Yes, you have observed right that there are 4 different ingredients or fruits are used to make this fruit salad. This fruit salad is a mixture. Now, you must be wondering what are the mixture? Mixture. When two or more things are combined or mixed, it is known as a mixture. For example, if we take blue balls and mix them with the red balls, we will get the mixture of blue and red balls. The substances or materials that are used to make mixture are known as constituents or components. Mixture is an important part of our daily life. For example, to make a chapati, we need to mix wheat and water to make the dough. Here, the dough is the mixture and wheat and water are the constituents. Mixing of salt in water, candies, salads, balanced diet are some another mixtures that we use in our daily life. Now observe these pictures. In the first picture, this is simply boiled rice, and in the second one, there are vegetables mixed with the boiled rice. The air we breathe is also a mixture of gases. The sea water is also a mixture with dissolved salts present in it. There are two types of mixtures: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixture is a mixture whose composition is uniform throughout and they cannot be seen with the naked eyes. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture whose composition is not uniform throughout and they can be seen with the naked eyes. The process of separating the materials from mixture is known as separation. Now, why do we need to separate the materials? Let us discuss it with the help of a story. There is a boy named John suffering from stomach infection because he ate the rotten grapes. Can you help him to separate the grapes? Yes, you can. So, it is important to separate the harmful substances from the useful substances. Many of you don't like tomatoes over the pizza. What do you do then? You separate the tomatoes and keep that aside. The milk is being churned to separate the butter out from the milk. Tea leaves are separated from the liquid with a strainer while preparing the tea. We see that before we use a substance, we need to separate harmful or non-useful substances that may be mixed with it. Sometimes we separate even useful components if we need to use them separately. So, the separation is very useful part of our daily life.